What are your thoughts about okra? Did you know that okra powerful is really beneficial to your health? Welcome back to our channel, Health Fans. Join us as we investigate the 18 potent benefits of okra and learn why it merits a significant place in our diets. Okra, commonly known as lady's finger or gumbo, is a flowering plant of the Malvaceae family. It is grown for its edible green seed pods, which are eaten as a vegetable in many different cuisines around the world. Okra is thought to have originated in Africa and has subsequently spread to other regions of the world. The information is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical diagnosis or treatment. Always seek the opinion of a physician or other certified health practitioner if you have any questions regarding a medical problem. Let's get started. 18th advantage: versatile culinary ingredient. In the kitchen, okra is extremely versatile. It may be used in a variety of recipes, including soups, stews, stir-fries, and even pickles, allowing you to reap its advantages in a variety of delectable foods. 17th advantage: relieves constipation. Because of its high fiber content, okra is an effective natural cure for constipation. It bulks up the stool, softens it, and makes bowel movements easier. 16th advantage: promotes hair health. Okra has components that promote healthy hair, such as vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals. They increase scalp health, promote hair development, and prevent hair loss. 15th advantage: decreases asthma symptoms. According to several research, okra may help lessen asthma symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory qualities and high vitamin C concentration may aid in respiratory health. 14th advantage: increases brain function. The nutrient profile of okra, notably its high vitamin C and antioxidant content, promotes brain health and cognitive function, potentially lowering the incidence of age-related cognitive decline. 13th advantage: aids in detoxification. Okra aids in the natural detoxifying processes of the body. Its fiber aids in the cleansing of the digestive tract, and its antioxidants aid in the elimination of toxins from the body. 12th advantage: according to research, okra has anti-cancer effects. Its antioxidants, which include quercetin and kaempferol, aid in the neutralization of free radicals and the inhibition of cancer cell proliferation. 11th advantage: helps with pregnancy. Because of its high folate level, okra is an excellent food for pregnant women. Folate is required for fetal development and can aid in the prevention of some birth abnormalities. 10th benefit: improves vision. Okra includes vitamin A, which is necessary for clear vision. Okra eating on a regular basis can assist preserve eye health and lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 9th advantage: supports healthy skin. Okra's vitamins and antioxidants maintain healthy skin by preventing oxidative damage, slowing the aging process, and promoting a beautiful complexion. 8th advantage: promotes bone health. Okra is high in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. It aids in calcium absorption and contributes to the maintenance of strong and healthy bones. 7th advantage, anti-inflammatory qualities. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of health problems. Okra's anti-inflammatory qualities aid in reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. 6th advantage, improves immunological function. Okra includes vitamin C as well as other antioxidants that aid in immunological function. A strong immune system is necessary for battling infections and illnesses. 5th advantage, controls blood sugar levels. Okra can be a healthy addition to the diet for those who are concerned about blood sugar control. The fiber in okra slows the absorption of sugar, minimizing blood glucose rises. 4th advantage, promotes heart health. Okra's components, particularly its high quantities of antioxidants, aid with heart health. Okra has been shown to help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall cardiovascular function. 3rd advantage, promotes weight management. Because of its low calorie and high fiber content, okra is a weight-friendly food. The fiber keeps you fuller for longer, minimizing overeating and assisting with weight loss goals. 2nd advantage, promotes digestive health. One of the most notable advantages of okra is its potential to improve intestinal health. Okra's high fiber content improves digestion, encourages regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. It also aids in the maintenance of a healthy gut microbiota. 1st advantage, it is nutrient-dense. Okra is a nutrient-dense powerhouse, not just a vegetable. It's high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and well-being. That's all for today's video. If you liked this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating and healthy ideas. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let us know how you're using okra to improve your health. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep healthy and happy. We'll see you in the next video.